Hey guys, welcome back. It's Fire Alarm Sons Midwest. Today we're doing another fire alarm video. This is not a test video, as you can see. We're doing another fire alarm collection video. In this collection video, I cleared out all my commercial bin side. We are not doing any of the residential stuff this time. I'm not sure if you noticed, but I also got 3 of my heat bells installed all over there on the wall, or on the door, I meant. So I'm showing you all of my commercial stuff. I will be telling you the models, and I will be pulling the pull stations as well. And as you can see, I have a lot. So back when I started making this collection, I first started off having that Commander 3 and this Exceeder. I didn't have a pull station until Christmas of 2024. 2024, I ended up getting this guy. Then it grew up. Then it grew a lot. So let's go over the devices. So first up on the lot, we have my system sensor P2WL L series horn strobe. This was my very first system sensor device in my collection, and I still have it. And I'm planning on having that with on system test 3. Next up, we got my fake BG12. It's alright. It's not a good pull station. It's a good pull station. It's just a little funky. Right here, we got my Gentex GEC3-24WR Commander 3 horn strobe. This is a very great device, in my opinion. I don't know the exact company made this, but we got here my red security siren strobe thingy. I put that lighting back there and also put that thermal block on here. But yeah, it is a good alarm. It's loud, but that's the point. But yeah, here we got 3 of my call points. There we go. I can't activate this one because I still have to get plexiglass for it. Okay, next up, we have my Wheelock MIZ. Oops. This is my Wheelock MIZ 24S-W. Or MIZ-24S-W is what I meant. So it's just a regular MIZ. I might get a second one of these in red, but I haven't decided. So you can do temporal and continuous, which means non-temporal. Yeah, this is a good mini horn. And yeah, I like it. Next up, we have my second mini horn. We got my Gentex EST EG1 RF-P Genesis remote horn. It's a mini horn. It's not temporal, so it can only do continuous if you don't have a panel. And all mini horns are only 4-wire, except those Siemens ones, those Siemens Cirrus Firetronics and Faraday ones. I think the 2-wire. I don't know. So yeah, those are good. We got next up on the list. We got my Notifier NBG12L. It's not an LX because it's not addressable. And if you ever get one of these, and if you're looking for a BG12, if you want to know if it's addressable or not, if it doesn't say it, make sure it shows on the back. If there's a green wire going from the switch to here, then it's addressable. As you can see, mine doesn't have that. It goes for all BG12s, like Firelight, Notifier, Silent Night, ADT, any of those brands. Next up, we have my second BG12, the Silent Night, or the Honeywell by Silent Night PS-DAH. Same thing as that, but different company, different model number. All right, next up, we got my newest alarm. We got my system sensor PC2R Spectral Advance horn strobe. There's the bracket. So these, along with the L series there, these can be 2 or 4-wire. And my L series and my Advance are 2-wire versions. And if you want to get a 4-wire version of this, which the model of those is the PC4R or PC4W if it's the white ones you like. But just to let you know, 4-wire devices, 4-wire versions of these are very expensive. They're around 70 to almost $100. Yeah, so they're cheap. So or not cheap. It's cheaper to get a 2-wire model. And yeah, and also so it doesn't matter if the bracket is from a 2 or a 4. Oh my god. A wall or ceiling version, it will still fit. And also, the outdoor variants also use the same bracket, but they're a different color. And the French lettering ones the French and Spanish lettering ones actually have a black bracket, which is pretty interesting. So yeah. Next up, we got my Siemens UMHU-MCS horn strobe. The reason I have tape there is because I'm using it as a 2-wire device. These are very good devices. They're very loud. Not as loud as the Advancing, of course, but these are pretty neat devices. I like them quite a lot. Next up, we got this weird smoke detector. I don't know the specific model number of this guy, but it's one of those cheap AliExpress ones. They're not too bad. I tested it once. I can't do it with my system, obviously, because it's 4-wire, but I've powered it on before. Yeah. All right. Next up on the list of the alarms, we got right here my System Sensor P1224MC Spectral Alert Classic horn strobe. And if it's a P1224MC or P1224MCW, which is the white versions of this, they are multi-candela. And if it's an S1224MC or S1224MCW, those are the strobe varieties of these. And these are the newer ones. And yeah, this is a good alarm. I like it. And if you're wondering why that screw there is smaller than those ones are, because when I did the unboxing video, it was missing a screw when I unboxed it. So that's why there's that small screw there as a replacement. So yeah, so before I say any more about System Test 3, I will show you the devices that apply having on the system as at the end of the video. So the next up, we got right here my Wheelock HSW Exceeder. I've had this for about 2 years. Same thing with the Commander 3 there. These are very good alarms. If you have these on high volume, they're absolutely horrible for high volume. But yeah, although these are very good alarms. So last, but simply not least, we got my 2 Federal Signal 4050-001T pull stations. And the models there, 4050-001T. Yeah, pretty nice pull stations. All right, so here's the part you're probably been waiting for. So on System Test 3, I will be having the Classic on the system, the Advance, probably more likely the L Series. I might have this on the system. I have not decided on that yet. I probably won't, but just maybe. And in my room, I will probably have either the Genesis or the MIZ. I'll probably go for the Genesis because I haven't used this in a long time. And I'll more likely have the Commander 3 probably if I can do that. But for pulse station wise, I'm actually only have 2. I might actually end up, I will more likely just stick with 2 pull stations, but I will more likely actually install a third one. If I install 3 pull stations, I will probably put these 2 BG12s and one of these on the system. But if not, I will go with this BG12 and one of these. And maybe for a little fun, I'll cut out a call point too. Not quite on that yet. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And stay tuned for the next system test for next month. And also, have a great night.